Well, hoaxes can cause major problems, but when do they become crimes?
In this week's Legal Lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal takes that question to Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy.
So, Andrew, I guess when does it become a point when a hoax crosses a threshold, so to speak, where it becomes a criminal act?
So both Missouri and federal laws says that giving false information for the purpose of implicating another in a crime is illegal. So if you give a false report that a crime has occurred or is about to occur, or you make a false report with the police, which deals with emergencies involving danger of life or serious harm, it would be a federal or a state crime.
And what about spreading, misinformation or things that are hoax? What about doing that, spreading that online through social media, that sort of vehicle?
So again, both state and federal laws prohibit that. In Missouri, making a false report is a Class B misdemeanor, which can be up to 6 months in jail, up to $1,000 of a fine. And in the federal context, it can be a felony. So even worse penalties, imprisonment of up to a year. If serious bodily harm is or someone is hurt seriously because of the hoax or the false report, it can be up to 20 years of jail time, and even worse if someone loses their life because of it.
And in addition to possible criminal penalties, are there, potential civil liabilities?
Sure. So, most people have heard of defamation and libel. So defamation is, basically if somebody communicated a false statement to a third person and that statement was proven to be false and caused harm to that person, you could be found liable for defamation, and the same for libel or injurious falsehood claims. That's basically if you printed a statement or published a statement that was found to be false and injured somebody. And I'm not talking about injury in a physical way. It could also be mental harm. It could be financial harm. You can be found liable for libel.
Good to know that there are consequences, both criminally and civilly. Andrea McNairy with Brown and Crouppen, as always. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.